Hello, my name is Mariel Watt, and I'm the archivist and curator for the 390th Memorial Museum. This tutorial is a follow-up to our Collections Portal tutorial. Today we're going to focus on creating user-contributed content. This content is a means of sharing your own knowledge or contributing a comment about an object or a personnel record. You can attach photographs or even link to an outside website. I do want to take this opportunity to stress that user-contributed content is meant to facilitate bonds between members of our museum community and open up channels of communication to the museum. If you are interested in donating to our permanent collection, either physical or digital material, please do contact me at mwatt@390th.org. And in a couple seconds, you're going to see my real email address typed out. So I've already pulled up our example. I'm using John Warner again, for those of you who saw our last tutorial. What you do is scroll to the bottom of the record and click on this link here. Click here to contribute your information. This will pop up a form for you to fill out. Now you can type in your name any way you like. You can be anonymous, you can publish your name, whatever you feel like doing. For those of you interested in donating material, here is my real email address. It's also important that you fill that portion out so that we can contact you if there's any more information we need based on what you've contributed. This gives us permission to publish your name and location if we choose to publish this content. I'm going to choose Other as my contribution type. And I'm going to contribute a photograph today. I'm trying to add as much information as I can about the information I'm contributing. There's space for you to write additional comments. This is required. This is stating that to the best of your knowledge, the information you are contributing is truthful and is not copywritten by another publication. If you want to add an image, you click Add Image. It's going to open up and you can either drag the image and drop it into this box. You will see that the image is now there. If you would like to repeat images, you can click this little green button here. You'll see that it says repeat. So here's a space where I can add an additional image if I choose. Okay. Now I see that both my images are here. Perhaps I decide that I want to add a website. And I probably want to add might want to talk a little bit about what the website is. Now, if I'm satisfied with everything, I simply click Submit. You'll see that the saving is in process. And as we wait for this to finish, just to let you know, you're not going to see the content right away. There's an approval process that the museum goes through. You'll see it's been successfully submitted. That way we can ensure that the content of your contribution is appropriate for the public. Thank you so much for watching this, and happy contributing, everybody.